that are needed that you need to done. After that, you can rehat ke, you tambah baik lah. So first of all, as I mentioned to you, go to your settings and then followed by the permalink. So inside the permalink, make sure that you adjust your permalink into the post name. Inside the post name. So that is the first step. Okay, second step. Go to your plugin. Go to your plugin. And then go to the install plugin. Okay, the plugin is make the WordPress so powerful. Why I say like that? Because you can put anything to enhance the functions of your website. For example, you want to insert the functions with regard to the e-commerce. You can just install the plugin and then it's become the website untuk jual barang, beli barang. If you want to make it as a social platform, you can insert a specific plugin. It will act like that. So in this case, I'm going to install two important plugin, namely as follows. First of all, go to your add new plugin. And then one of the important plugin that I want to install is what we call it as a SEO. Apa dia? SEO. SEO is a standard abbreviation name for search engine optimization. So I'm going to install now. After I install it now, then I can activate it to be used. So the functions of this SEO is to ranking your website or to make sure that any search engine find out a certain activities, they will find your article first. Itu adalah fungsi lah. Kenapa kita bermain dengan SEO, search engine. Kenapa search engine ini important dalam health promotion? Because we want the people get the most accurate website information inside the digital media. So now saya dah install dan saya dah activate. Cuma SEO ni dia ada dua, satu yang berbayar, satu yang percuma. So after install the first plugin, name it as SEO, then proceed to install the another one, which is we also need to navigate our cursor to plugin and install plugin, followed by the next one, add new plugin. In the add new plugin for the next plugin, I want you to install the GA Analytics, or you call it as a Google Site Tag. You can type as Google Site Tag. So the Google Site Tag enable you to put the Google tag, which is what we copy before, inside our console. So what is the, okay, where is it? Site by Google Analytics Console. So I do believe that the Google Site Tag, okay, this one, WP Global Site Tag. You can install this one. You can install it. After you install, then you can insert your apa nama ni tadi? Google Site Tag dekat dalam anda punya WordPress. Okay, I'm just activate it. Okay, you can go over here, go to your setting, and then go to the WP Global Site Tag. Go to your site tag and then insert your measurement ID tracking. Where you want to get those tracking? Kat mana nak dapat tracking tu? Kat mana nak dapat tracking tu, sayang? Kat mana? Dekat Google Analytics. You need to visit your Google Analytics and then you are going to create, you need to create your properties. Okay, how to create your properties? I'm going to share it now because after that I'm going to pause my video and then all of you try your best and then in the evening we try to recap back. Boleh Okay. Step dia sama macam tadi, but the difference is you need to create a new property. Okay. First of all, make sure you install WP Global Site Tag and then stand by to insert your Google Analytics code. So how to create your new code? Please go to your Google Analytics account. So I already opened my account. Please do not use the previous one. Create new one. Apa dia? Create new one. Go to the admin console. Go to the admin console and then create a new properties. Okay. Go here and then create new property. Okay. In this case, I'm going to put my property as follows. What is my property name? IAQ website. Okay, I'm going to use the Malaysia Time Standard. Malaysia Time Standard. Okay, next. Same also like before. This is the education. Job and education, small. Okay, followed by next. I'm going to examine user behavior and then create. After that is generate the specific function. This is quite interesting. And then you can go for choosing a platform, which is a web. Then do not forget to put the name of your web. So I'm going to insert my web address over here. Please exclude those extension IAQ website. And then create stream. Remember, create stream require you to wait a little bit because they will provide the functions also. Okay, it's loading. Wait for the loading until it's finished, and then you can copy the measurement ID. Okay, installation instruction. No need to follow this one. By right, you need to follow this, but we no need to do that because we have the Google Site Tag plugin because we use the plugin already. So the plugin helping you so much time to simplify it. Okay, so kita masukkan and then save setting, and then it's done. It's done like this lah. Okay, it's done like this. So if it is done like this, then don't be surprised lah because this is the free version. No worries. And then you can just revisit to your website, and if it is broken, then you redo back lah. That's all. Okay, after you finish, you can go back to your dashboard and then have a look. Have a look. Tengok balik dekat dalam anda punya settings, and then go back to your setting, and then go back to your WP Global Site Tag, and then save setting. Alright. So to make sure whether it is function or not, I may encourage you to visit my website now, and then have a look lah. Cuba pergi dekat website saya. Website saya berjudul apa tadi? scienceontheweb.net. Try to visit there. Okay. So basically, it is there already, and then able to track some movement lah with regard to the website. That means is kudos lah. Maksudnya berjaya. Berjaya. Inilah baru kita panggil apa dah? Berjaya. Jadi kau tak boleh cari kan? Okay, tuan-tuan dan puan yang dimuliakan Allah SWT sekalian. Then, if you go back to my post, as I mentioned to you, before we pause this video, you can see that I already installed the SEO Yoast ni. Betul tak? Yoast SEO. And then this is my first posting. Correct or not? And then, inside my post posting, I can go for the edit menu. And after I click the edit menu, then I able to navigate through my content. Dalam content saya ni akan ada macam-macam benda tau. Which is I can inspect and have a look whether my content is good or not. Okay, please have a look here. You can see Yoast SEO is already there. Before this, there is no about Yoast SEO, but it's there already. Why? Because we installed the plugin. Why we install the plugin? Because we want to see the green color appear. Can you see? This one is what color? Red color. So if you want to see the green color, what you need to do is basically you need to follow whatever the idea given here. You see, outbound link, no internal link, image, key phrases, meta description, and so on. This one we are going to learn it later on lah, masa petang sekarang. Boleh ya? Okay, this one is quite important. Why it is very important? Because apa? Tadi kan dia jadi poor kan, sekarang dia dah jadi apa? Okay. Daripada merah dia menjadi orange. Kita nak dia jadi apa? Hijau. Bila dia jadi hijau, maka apa maksudnya tu? Bila dia jadi hijau, maksudnya dia boleh dicari dalam search engine. That means our article is there and ready to be searched by a lot of people. And a lot of people can get benefited from reading our articles. So that is the idea. Okay.